Only vocabulary will
Mhm.
never make you fluent in English. Practicing the accent and pronunciation is the most important. Let's start our practice of the day. I will speak, you will copy. I stopped by a small cafe to have a drink. Repeat after me. I looked at the menu and picked something I wanted. After ordering and paying, I found a seat and relaxed for a while. The place was quiet. I really liked the soft music. I enjoyed my drink, took a short break, and then left feeling refreshed. Amazing, you did it. This scenario will scroll up the screen now. Your goal is to speak clear and confident. Amazing. This daily practice will make you so confident that no one will believe your transformation. You will get the next challenge if you have clicked the bell icon, or you will miss it.